Hi everyone, I'm Omar of Vmobile Extreme, and this is our first episode of how to run your Vmobile business. Okay, today I'm going to show you, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to register as a Vmobile Technouser. It's very simple and it's very easy. All you need to do is follow the simple steps that I will be sharing with you in this video. So let's get started. So first is to get your Technouser card, and at the back of your card, scratch off your subscriber activation code. Step 2. Get your mobile phone, and that's very easy, and then create a new message. Step 4. Type the following: LX space REG space your Technouser ID number, which is located in front of your Technouser card, space your subscriber activation code, which is what we have scratched a while ago, space your birthday. So it's very important to take note of the correct birthday format. In this case, you have to first type in the month of your birthday, followed by a dash, the day of your birthday, which is for me 24, followed by a dash, and the year of your birthday. Okay? And then space your telco code. Now since I'm a TM subscriber, I'll use TM as my telco code. So let's say if you are smart, you can use smart TNT, you can use TNT. Red, you can use red. Globe subscriber, you can use globe, TM, and sun. Okay? And then space your complete name. So you type in your complete name. Once you have created this message, you need to go to the step 5, which is to send your message to any of the following gateway numbers. And actually, it depends on the network that you are currently subscribed on. So let's say if you're a smart subscriber, you will use either of these two numbers, but I recommend that if your cell phone number ends in an odd number, you will use the gateway number that also ends in an odd number. Let's say 5, 9, 1, or 3. Let's say if your cell phone number ends in an even number, I recommend that you will use the gateway number that ends on an even number as well. So in this case, you can use this ID number that ends in an even, this number that ends in an odd number. Okay, it's very important. The same with Globe subscriber. If you're a Globe subscriber, a TM subscriber, if your cell phone number ends in an odd number, you will use the gateway number that ends on an odd number also. If your mobile number ends in even number, you will use the gateway number that ends in an even number too. Okay? The same with the Sun subscribers. You can use either of these two numbers. And then once you have sent your message, you'll then wait until you receive a response message from Load Extreme, which looks like this. Okay? You now have 0.0 LX load wallet. Your PIK is 294176 to complete registration, send LX, and blah blah blah. The most important thing to note here is your PIK, okay? It's very important that you remember and save this because this is the personal identification key that you will be using all throughout your LX transactions, okay? All throughout your transactions in the Load Extreme system. Okay, just save it and make sure it's safe also because maybe someone can use your account and without knowing it. Okay, Step 7, which is the second process actually of registering as a Vmobile Tech user. So in step 7, you need to create a new message again and type the following: Alex space CHGADDR, which also stands for change address, space your Technouser ID number, space your PIK, which is for, in my case, it's 294176, and then space your complete address. So once you have finished this text message, you then need to send this to your respective gateway number. If you're a subscriber, if you are a smart subscriber, you can use either of the two numbers that we've mentioned a while ago. If you're a Globe subscriber, you can use either of the two numbers that we've shared with you a while ago, and it's the same with the Sun subscriber. Okay, once you have sent that, you then go to step 9, which is actually wait until you receive a response message, which looks like this: Alex registration of ID number 425 blah blah blah. That's successful. It's basically a text message that informs you that you are now a Vmobile Tech user. Okay, you are now a registered user of the Load Extreme system. But there's another step that's very important to take note, just to save your new assigned gateway number. If you will notice on the previous text message that you have received, you will see an information that says, please send future LX load commands to your assigned gateway. Which is in my case, when I was registered as a Technouser, I was given an assigned number that tells that please send future LX load commands to your assigned gateway. Which is in my case, when I registered as a Technouser, I was given this number, which is 0917545845. So it's very important that you will save this number on your phone book or somewhere else, because this is the number that you will be using in your future LX load commands. Okay? If you are loading yourself, your family, or other people using your cell phone, you need to send your command in this assigned gateway number. Okay, it's very important because it gives you more faster response and a smooth transaction on our Load Extreme system. Okay, so once you have done that, then actually you're done. You're now a Vmobile Technology user, and congratulations for that. So just a brief summary and brief things that you need to understand or you need to take note is first is your Technouser ID number. Second is your PIK or your personal identification key. And the third one is your newly assigned gateway number. Once you have these three information saved and secure, you're now ready to use the Load Extreme system. You can now have the convenience and the discount on all of your load. Okay, it's very simple, and I hope you have got something in this video. And if you have any questions, you're always free to contact me on my mobile number or email me if you want to, and I'm very happy to hear from you and hope to see you soon and see you in the next episode. Thank you once again for your time, and this is Omar of VMobileExtreme.com. Bye.